Hey guys, hi.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame.
Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maryann Okonkwo. On this channel, I make YouTube videos about productivity, graduate life, MBA life, building a career here in the US, and a little sprinkle of beauty here and there. Today is Thanksgiving, as I earlier mentioned, so happy Thanksgiving, everyone. My husband traveled, but I stayed behind because I had a couple of assignments and schoolwork and stuff. So I'll be celebrating Thanksgiving alone myself at home. And this is basically a vlog of me spending Thanksgiving by myself. If you guys don't know, I am a homebody, so by all means, this is not a negative video. It's all right to spend Thanksgiving by yourself, as I am spending Thanksgiving myself. I made jollof fried rice yesterday, but I forgot to put it in the freezer, so now it's already smelling spoiled, and I'm so pissed because it tasted so good yesterday. So now I'm having to make jollof rice, which is what is on fire. I'm also taking out the dishes from the dishwasher, and I'm prepping some coffee as well, and I am also doing my assignment and reading over there. Starting off, I am just gonna be grabbing all of this out.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris.
So guys, that rice tastes bitter. I don't know why. Maybe it's the butter, I'm not sure, but yeah, I think I've added enough seasoning. Add salt. Anyways, yeah, so the rice is cooking. Our turkey is almost ready. I think I did a fantastic job. Almost golden brown. Almost. Now I'm just gonna go back to reading and watching TV. By the way, I had a couple of packages that arrived, so let me show you guys. I'm in love with our Christmas tree. I just need to decorate it. We have all the decoration in there. I just need to get them out. So I had to drive. For some reason, I think I forgot to update my package info, delivery info on Sephora. I got my Sephora package. I shopped with them when they were having a couple of sales, so let's unbox it. I bought the Artist Couture thingy, and this is in the shade Yes. I know back then a lot of people used to like the shade. How do you open it though? And I really like what they did here. So you kind of like, so this thing you move around. Of course, you guys know I had to restock on my favorite primer because I was already running out. Ooh, I really like this pastel. This is super cute. Find the setting spray. I have no freaking idea why this is there. And I got a couple of pencils. I already had this one because I was waiting for it. I had a client coming in, so I just had to get this ASCP, and then I got this one as well. Yeah, the colors are literally this, and they're super pigmented, so super duper love. And of course, I got this glow recipe. I specifically got it because of this niacinamide, even though I have niacinamide already, but some people who are really excited about this one, even though I have, like, at this point I already have like so much moisturizers. I'm like, what am I doing with all this?
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do.
And I think our turkey is ready.
Now life's back in color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind.
Hey guys, so it's currently past, okay, it's almost 4. It's 3:58. I am so pissed because I spent so much time on this supply chain that I didn't even get a chance to do financial management. So I guess I'll do financial management tomorrow. I'm gonna take the rest of today to rest because I did not come to this life to die or not to enjoy life. I'm just reheating my turkey, my rice too. I need to dish out some and set the table for myself. I'm going to go have my shower, and then I'm going to come downstairs to have have dinner, breakfast, lunch, dinner with some glass of wine and stuff. I'm really excited though, but I wanted to send the professor an email, but that would be super insensitive, especially because today is Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna wait to send the professor an email tomorrow morning because there were some questions I wanted to clarify. It's a little bit confusing. Do you divide 1 week by 4? Do you divide 1 month by 4 weeks? Or do you just use the 4 weeks since all of the other variables are already in monthly figure? It's just a little bit confusing. So yeah, I just did that. I am just going to set up the table, so let's do that.
In color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically.
Currently reheating my turkey. I'm gonna go upstairs, have my bath, shower. I'm gonna turn off all this lights actually, but let's do that once we go upstairs.
Invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every Roman's loving 20-something woman wants?
So I have had my bath. It smells so good. I am just gonna turn off all the lights in the house, turn on the TV. I just want it really dark as I have dinner. So come join me.
Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be like beyond.
Finished eating. I think I overdrank. Feel sleepy. I need to go take a nap. This one, I deserve it. And I was tempted to edit a YouTube video, but I don't know, maybe do it tomorrow or still do it, and then whenever sleep comes I go to bed. But yeah, I just wanted to check in. It's currently best I've tried for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If I don't come back and check in with you guys, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you liked most. I hope the turkey looked nice, and happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe, guys.
Picnic